Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Breeze Yo-Yo. Edge comparison. The Edge is a little bit bigger than the Breeze. Genesis X. Really teeny. Atlas. Huge. So the Breeze is really good. I used it for competing at Illinois States. For the price, you totally get what you're buying. It's a very smooth, clean yo-yo. And I got like the watermelon color. It's like something watermelon. And it really looks like a watermelon. When it's spinning, it doesn't really though. Watermelon colorway. You saw it in my other Breeze video that I did. It was like the featured yo-yos or something like that. Yeah, so the good thing about the Breeze is it's so balanced that it's insane for finger grinds. Finger spins, it's not bad, but it's not like a really good one for finger spins. And for regular play, it's really good. It's a little bit heavier, but that's not always a bad thing. So, like for whips and stuff, pretty good. Pretty much for any tricks, this is a good yo-yo. I like heavier yo-yos, and this is a heavier yo-yo. The bimetal rims are not on the outside like a normal yo-yo. They're like tucked away inside of the yo-yo. So that's a really cool thing that Chandler threw in. Yeah, so if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you have any questions about the yo-yo, throw them in the comment section. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.